Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily fix mouse not working in your Windows. So let's get started. I just left my mouse cursor there. Okay. The first thing you need to do is you need to press Windows on R key together. The moment you do that, please type devmgmt.msc in this new window, and with the help of your tab, go for OK. Once it is being highlighted using your tab, press Enter to proceed. After that, this device manager will appear. Okay? In order to maximize it or expand, press Alt, space, and X together, and it will automatically maximize it for you. The next thing to do is you need to highlight your computer name. How? With the use of your tab again, it will automatically highlight the name of your computer. In my case, my computer's name, SonetP, is already highlighted. Then after that, use your down arrow key to go for mice and other pointing devices. Once you highlight it, press the right key and it will show more. Here, you need to highlight the name of your mouse driver. And once you highlighted it, press enter and this driver properties will appear. Here you need to go for driver. How? Just use your tab again, and once the general is being highlighted, use your right key and the driver will appear. Here you need to uninstall your device. How? Use your tab again and go for uninstall device. Once it is being highlighted again, press enter to continue. Here you need to use your tab again and go for uninstall. Okay? Once done, you need to close this. And let's say if you have another another driver present in your case, you need to uninstall it again. After that, please restart your computer. Okay? And the driver will work again. It will be back to its normal. Okay? So hopefully these steps helped you on how to fix mouse not working in your Windows. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button to be updated for more upcoming video tutorials. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.